Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering all materials before you begin painting. Use a 12-color oil pastel set and 160 GSM textured pastel paper for better tooth. Lay a paper towel beneath the work to catch excess pastel dust and smudges. Keep a palette knife 1/4 inch for crisp edge scraping and a paper stump for blending small areas. Open a small jar of odorless mineral spirits for selective solvent blending. Work near a window or use a lamp to ensure even lighting while you paint. Begin layering with a thin base of broad strokes covering 80% of the paper. Apply cross-hatching strokes at about 45 degrees to create initial texture and thread. Add a second midtone layer with medium pressure to increase saturation and form. Build a third layer of highlights with firmer pressure to create raised pastel ridges. Use the palette knife 1/4 inch to gently scrape fine lines and reveal the base layer beneath. Step back often to check depth and balance. Blend selectively to maintain three-dimensional effect and preserve texture. Use a paper stump for soft transitions and only 1 drop of mineral spirits on a cotton swab when necessary. Work from dark to light, leaving highlights untouched for pop and dimensionality. Create sharp details by scraping 1 to 2 millimeters of pastel with the palette knife. Finish the painting with spray fixative in light coats, making 2 passes from about 12 inches away. Allow 20 minutes drying between passes before framing or displaying the piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.